So hi, good morning all, welcome to Geeky Aya. So today I want to take a video which has entirely different perspective from what we are doing or having right now. So this is a Nokia Lumia 925. This, as everyone know, is a Windows phone, and I've used it for a quite while before I made the jump to the Android and back and forth. So I, as a tech enthusiast, I've used different OS on mobile phones, and I think this is by far the best which I've ever used. So sorry guys, so this has a broken screen, so that is one more reason why I have to change it. So other than that, I just wanted to let you guys know that do we have anything left on this Windows world which can help us give a rebirth to this stunning device from Nokia. So as everybody know, Windows has tried all its best to compete on this Android and iOS world, and sadly it has failed, and the OS is no longer available, or the updates are no longer available. So if you happen to have a Nokia Lumia device or a Windows device, is it good enough right now? Can you use it? So that is something which I really wanted to check. So for those who have not used this Windows platform, so this is really good guys. This is something which I have. So if you're someone who's new to this Windows platform, I think this is something which you have really missed to use. So this is one of the most fluent OS which I've ever used. So sorry guys, so it's giving me this notification. So this is one more OS which I really loved using it when I had the time of using this for I think for 1 year or so. So as you can see, this is the main interface. This has the styles where you can change your colors, and since this is a Super AMOLED display, it is really black and looks pretty beautiful. So one thing which I really liked about Windows Phone is that even if you had the low end Windows Phone which has only 250 MB RAM, and the one at that time, the most rammed version, which is around 1 GB, that is this device, both worked almost the same. There was no lag, no stutter, everything worked seamlessly. So that's something which is really interesting. And the Windows Store, yes, it didn't get as much love as Android got, but still it has its own fair shares of applications, but sadly most of them doesn't work. So for example, I'll show you some of them which doesn't work. So if you go to the weather application, that is no longer supported. So that is something really bad. So this is not connected to internet guys, but still, see, as you can see, it says we have moved on. So that is not available now. And if you go to the Twitter client, even that is not available. So the few things which are working are like the Facebook and Sixstack, which is an application for Instagram, that is still working. So some of them are still working. And if you have a Geo SIM, that 4G calls which will not work on this Windows phone. And if you have something like 3G or any other service provider, you should be able to use it at least as a device where you can make calls. So that is still possible, but like for an extensive use within your application which you like on Android, it's not possible because most of them are either not working or the support is no longer there. Like WhatsApp, even that support is ended. So as beautiful as the device is, and as how much I would love to go back to this OS, it's sad to say that this is no longer in working condition. If you're somebody who's willing to try out Windows OS, it's not there for you guys anymore. So those who have cherished the moments like me for 1 or 2 years, I think we were blessed to use such a nice fluent OS. So that's what I want to say about this, guys. So if you have any thoughts on Windows phones, please do like, comment and share. It'd be nice to read through. Thank you so much for watching.